Okay, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, Winton area, rules in millimetres, materials being wetted. The white, as you can see there, sometimes is a reflection of the light. This is deep purple blue crystal. Slightly undulating. Not a lot of fire in this, but the picture's sort of stone. Maybe concentrate the colour down to here. This looks like it's been polished already. This needs to be ground and shaped. Last little bit, again, piece of crystal type material on the boulder. It's got a nice green blue flash there sometimes, you can see. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.